Hello, welcome to the video and thanks for tuning in. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create fork tender ribs in which the bone easily slides out, all of which does not require the use of a smoker. So stay tuned. Let's get things going by starting with our dry rub. In a small bowl, bring together salt, black pepper, brown sugar, paprika, chili powder, garlic, onion powder, ground cumin, and a little bit of espresso powder. Give it a whisk to combine and then set aside. For exact measurements, and if you'd like to follow along, please check out the link for the full recipe in the description below. Next, apply a generous amount of the dry rub mixture to the ribs and ensure that all of the meat is covered with it. Then, take a moment to mop up any that spilled onto the cutting board. Place a sheet of foil onto a baking tray, then place ribs over top the foil. With the meat side of the ribs facing up, take apple cider vinegar to spritz all over the top. Then, securely cover your ribs with foil. Once foil is firmly secured onto the ribs so that no liquid can seep through, place ribs into a 275-degree oven for 3.5 hours. While the ribs are baking away in the oven, we'll move on to the barbecue sauce. In a small saucepan, bring together ketchup, brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, water, garlic powder, paprika, and salt. Whisk to combine, and then bring to a gentle boil over medium heat. Once the barbecue sauce has come to a slow boil, cover, reduce the stove top to low heat, and allow it to simmer for 30 minutes. Once 3.5 hours have gone by, take ribs out of the oven to then very carefully remove the top layer of foil. At this point, your ribs should be very tender, in which a bone can slide right on out. If not, simply place your ribs back into the oven for additional time. Now apply barbecue sauce onto the bone side of the ribs. Carefully transfer ribs onto a clean baking tray. Apply some more barbecue sauce over top the ribs. Then, send the ribs back into the oven with its broiler setting on for 6 to 8 minutes or until the tops of the ribs are crisp. Finally, allow the ribs to cool down for 15 to 20 minutes before slicing and serving. Hey, thanks for sticking around to this portion of the video. If you'd like to show your support, please click that like button down below. And if you'd like to be in the know for future and upcoming videos, please also click that red subscribe button down below as well. And without any further ado, have a good one.